Science fiction author Arthur C. Clarke once said, "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic." In a world where we're surrounded by technology and machines, we stop seeing technology and science as fields that require us to keep studying and innovating in, but instead see them as a book of spells. But this mindset can be very limiting. It encourages us to think that anything we don't already know is beyond our ability to know. When you take a hands-on approach to learning science, it can really change your perspective. You'll be empowered to ask deeper questions, to unlock the potential to make innovations of your own. It's basically a way of exploring the microscopic world, and all you really need is a laser pointer and a syringe. In this course, I'm going to show you how to approach asking scientific questions interactively, to have fun experimenting with what you know by exploring what you don't. You're not looking at textbook knowledge, so there's actual genuine potential to break new ground with this when you, as a student, play around with it. There is magic in science, but it comes when we use it to expand our own potential and our understanding of the world around us. I'm Dr. Timothy Tan, and this is my Education Launchpad. I'm going to show you how to take a hands-on approach to science.